Hi, welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Google Play Store with Android Subsystem. If you already have a Windows Subsystem for Android installed, then you have to uninstall it first. Watch this video above to uninstall it. You can't install two versions at the same time. But don't worry, in this custom version you will get Google Play Store and Amazon App Store as well. You have to meet the minimum requirement to install apps on Windows 11. Go and check in video description or an article on my website. First, you need an app to extract zip file. You can install WinRAR or 7-zip. Both are available for free. I have WinRAR already installed in my computer, so I will not install it again. Next thing, you need to download this zip file from video description and move it to C drive. File size is just above 700 megabytes. Don't worry, you will not need to download anything else. Now just turn on few options from the settings, then we are ready to install it. Go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security. Then click on For Developers. Turn on the developer mode now. Now after that, click on Windows Update. Go to Windows Insider Program and make sure to choose your Insider settings to the beta channel. If you didn't join Insider Program, then make sure to join it before installing the Android Subsystem. Go to Start menu and search for Features. Now click here on this option. Now in this window you have to enable three options here. If you have already enabled these options, then you can continue without changing anything. Now make sure to check the Virtual Machine Platform option. And then you have to check the Windows Hypervisor Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux. Then you have to restart computer if it's your first time to enable all these options. And also make sure virtualization option also enabled in BIOS setting. To do that, check the method on Google for your device. Now go to C drive and then extract the zip file. Click on Show More option, then click Extract here. Enter the password onhaxpk. Now open extracted folder and look for Setup CMD file. Right-click on the file and run it as administrator. If you see errors here, then don't worry. Just ignore the errors. Press any key or close this window. It will redirect you to my video after installation, so please watch that video. Don't close it. Now go to Start and open Windows Subsystem for Android. Enable Developer Mode, then click on Manage Developer Settings. It will ask you to allow some permission. Then allow the permissions. After that, this window will appear. Now close it. Now go to Start and search for Play Store. Open it and click on Sign In button. Now search for Amazon App Store as well and open it. You can install apps from both stores. If you want to know how you can install APK files and root this device, let me know in comment section. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel as well. Visit my website for more tips and tricks. Link available in the video description. I will see you in next video. Till then, goodbye.